Aladdin Creations.
Welcome back to Aladdin Creations. Today, we're diving into another fascinating red blood cell abnormality, basophilic stippling. What do those tiny blue granules inside red cells mean? Let's break it down in simple clinical terms. What is basophilic stippling? Basophilic stippling refers to the presence of small dark blue granules scattered throughout the cytoplasm of red blood cells on a stained peripheral blood smear. These granules are precipitated ribosomal RNA, which remain due to abnormal degradation during red cell maturation. Microscopic appearance. When you look at a stained blood film under the microscope, you'll see red blood cells with fine or coarse blue-purple dots. The red cell shape may be normal, but the stippling stands out. The best stains to observe this are Wright, Giemsa, or Leishman stains. Causes and clinical significance. Basophilic stippling is an important diagnostic clue. There are two types. 1. Fine stippling, seen in reticulocytosis, hemolytic anemia, accelerated red cell production. 2. Coarse stippling, a red flag for lead poisoning, thalassemia, sideroblastic anemia, arsenic poisoning, pyrimidine 5' nucleotidase deficiency. So, spotting stippling is crucial in diagnosing conditions like lead toxicity, especially in children, and some rare enzyme deficiencies. To recap, basophilic stippling means blue dots in red blood cells, its leftover RNA. It's a vital clue for doctors and lab scientists when evaluating blood disorders, especially those involving toxic exposure or defective hemoglobin synthesis. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Aladdin Creations for more lab science insights.